Alright, welcome to my channel. What we have here today is a 2013 Ford F-150. We got a 4x4 on it. Underneath I do have a air ride system. Air Ride 5000 is your basic system. Engine's only an EcoBoost 3.5. And reason for this video is to show you what this truck can haul. It's only rated for 1,400 pounds. That's the maximum payload capacity of this truck. A lot of you didn't know that. Some of you did. What we have in the back here, though, is a full-size camper. The dry weight of these campers, it's a 6-pack, is 1,600 pounds. That's well over the weight. So what we've done to accommodate a large camper into a small payload capacity truck is first we folded the metal back, cut the wood off, put some bracing across, folded the metal back on and screwed it down and sealed it with some through the roof. Now doing this, we removed the windows and about 110 pounds worth of wood, because logically two large full-size people are not going to sit in this little cubby very comfortably. One's got to climb over the other and so on, so it's just not feasible. Maybe for children, maybe that's okay. Anyhow, to alleviate a lot of the other weight, we also gutted the inside. I'm going to tell you why. We've removed the refrigerator, the stove, the sink, everything, down to the bare metal and the bare wood. Covered everything in a felt, nice and soft. And I'll tell you a little bit about the inside here. This is our main dining table, which of course goes in the pedestal there. This is our outdoor table, and this table fold down on these grooves to form the bed, which folds out right there. We have a full-size bed. We're not missing out on that. We have a heater. We have a camping stove, smaller camping stove for anything we need. Paper plates, stuff like that. GPS, refrigerator, because you're never that far from anything really anyway. And over here we have our solar power system. Get you a close look at that. We've got the regular 12-volt outlets. These are going down to a circuit board right here. And that goes into your auxiliary. And your inverter goes down to the batteries underneath. All this goes underneath. All the batteries vent outside. Now these particular ones really don't make any noise, so they're okay to have inside. All our inside lights are ran off that. Got a voltmeter there, that's just in case. And porch light there. You got a 40-watt Sanyo flat screen. Very small DVD, works great. That just plugs in right here. Or over here, we have a Shoreline too. We have here on this side, this is our restroom. And there's our toiletries, our closet. A few things there. And these are curtains, windows, a couple little solar lights across there. Just our basic bedroom. That's all you really need. Let me show you the batteries out here. This is a dolly for when we're not using the camper. We throw it on here and wheel it back in the corner. This is where we keep the batteries from Walmart. They're tractor batteries. They cost about $24 each. We put 2 in here and they work just fine with the solar. Let's see what else. All these are now cut off on the inside and just plated over. They're just for looks now. This side is my kitchen. This door opens up. Put the camp table out here. And you have your pots and pans, your cookware. You can put your stove out here. And basically everything is right there at your fingertips and easy to cook on. We have a canopy that connects up top, so we have a full roof over us while we're cooking. And it's really easy to put stuff away, especially if it's like, not so clean. Cooktops and stuff. Spices, all that, all goes in there in this box. This also is covered off on the inside, as you saw. We take our jacks off. Most of you probably don't. You want to do this because some of you have may seen one of these corners is torn apart on the jacks. And if you haven't noticed it, you will now. That's from going up into a business from the street and you're going up the sidewalk. And that jack hits the sidewalk, rips this side, and the people don't even know it when they drive into a driveway. Especially the driveways near the beach area in California, very steep. So you want to take your jacks off and leave those at home. And it's a lot less weight to haul around also. Well, that's about it. That's how you get a full size in the F-150 and haul it safely. As you can see, there's no droop whatsoever. And the gas mileage has only gone down about a mile and a half per gallon. So we're good. We're very good. So good luck. And if you have the craziest ideas, just give it a try. What the hell, right?